Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. In this video, we are going to learn about the relative pronouns. So let us start. Here we have three sentences. I met Harry. Harry had just returned. The second sentence is I have found the pen. I lost the pen. Here is the book. You lent me the book. Okay, now we may change these sentences into other sentences. How? Like I met Harry who had just returned. Okay, in the previous sentence we have repeated the Harry twice. Okay, sorry, Harry and Harry. Now in this sentence we just only used the word who. Had just returned, so now who is used in the place of Harry. And keep yes, you may know well that when a word is used instead of a noun, that is called as pronoun. Okay, in the second sentence I have found the pen which I lost. Okay, now here this which is used in the previous sentence, the pen. Okay, the same pen is repeated in the second time. So here we have cleared the sorry yes, cleared what, cleared the repetition of the pen and used the word which. Okay, so here we used the word which and avoid the repetition of the pen which was used in the earlier sentence twice. And same is the case with the third sentence. Here is the book that you lent to me. In the previous sentence it was the book used twice. So here again excuse me, here is the book that you lent me. Now that is used in the place of book and avoided the repetition of the noun book again. So what does this mean? Okay, now here is the explanation. The word who is used instead of the noun Harry. It therefore does the work of a pronoun. Okay, keep notice that here we used who as a pronoun. Why it is used as the pronoun? Because it is used in the place of Harry, and it is doing the second function as well. The word who joins or connects two statements. It therefore does the work of a conjunction. That is why we may say who here, who, or which, or that. The three relative pronouns are used as the pronoun and does the work of a conjunction. That is why we may say that these are used or these are called the conjunctive pronouns. What do we say? Conjunctive pronouns. Why? Because they are doing the double actions. One action of pronoun and the second action of conjunction. Okay, so here the word who therefore does double work. The work of a pronoun, second work. Double work, first work is it is doing the work of a pronoun and the second work of conjunction. That is why they are called, hence it is called conjunctive pronoun. Okay, not who but which and that and who as well. These three relative pronouns are doing the double action. That is why they are called conjunctive pronouns. Okay, and it is however called a relative pronoun because it refers or relates, carries us back toward what? To some noun going before, which is called its antecedent. Okay, and keep remember. Now here if we in the previous sentences here, who is referring to Harry. Okay, Harry is the antecedent of who, and which is used in the place of pen, and pen is the antecedent of which, and same is the case with that. So the antecedent of that is book, so we may say the antecedent of that is book. So here we may say that before a noun is used, and after that noun we used or we relate the pronoun and go on, or it refers or relates to some noun going before. That is why they are called relative pronouns. Okay, so here is some of the some not some sorry the introduction, the basic introduction of the relative pronoun. In inshallah, in the upcoming videos we will look into details of relative pronouns and how they are used, and where do we use them in our English language. Okay, so take care of yourselves. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.